Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to make table of content. So what is a table of content? A table of content is a list typically found at the beginning of a book or document that outline its chapter or section and their corresponding pages. So if you have ever read a book like these notes, you have already seen, you might have run into this first page which has this listing of topics, chapters and their number of pages. That is a table of content, and what I'm going to teach you how to make, so that when you want to produce your book you'll be knowing what to do on the first page. So if you have your document like this your Word document, so this is what we have. This is what we have, one document. So you have the introduction, where you're going to, that is where you're going to insert your table of content. So you have the chapters, which here, can follow my cursor and see what I'm talking about. This is the chapters. So you come to your working and then you type in, this one is chapter 1, this one is chapter 1, then you just write chapter 1, then you go down, you go to this is your chapter 2, this one is your chapter 2, chapter 2. Then you go to the third one, chapter 3. Then you go to the fourth one, chapter 4. It's today, chapter 4. Then you go down, this is it. This is chapter 5. Then this is our chapter 6. This is our chapter 6. Chapter 6. Then we go to the last one, pedestrians. Pedestrians. That is our chapter 7. So if you have them like this, you go to home tab and select heading. You right click, you modify, and then you adjust this to automatic. Then the heading, you select time new row, and then you go to format, you go to paragraph, and then you make sure the after spacing is 0, and then the line spacing should be double. Then when you're done, you done. Press OK. Now you come back to your work document and then start analyzing to this is then you put 2 spacing 1, you continue where is 3, chapter 3, this is your chapter 3. Menu, this is your chapter, then you go to chapter 5, then you go to chapter 6 and put under heading 1. Yeah, this is all we have. And then you come back to heading 2. Now this one, you go back to the first page where we are going to insert the introduction. You mark and then you go to this, you modify, and then you change the position to middle and OK. Now this is what you have. Then you bring your cursor behind here, and now you go to references, you go to table of content, then you select automatic. So this is what you have. You can go to design and choose how you want your table of content to appear. Still loading. So if you want, as you move your cursor, you'll be seeing. So you can choose what fits your work, like this. For me, I'll choose this. Now when you want to go to a specific page, like chapter 6, but you don't want to scroll through, you press Ctrl and then tap 6, then to bring you. So this is all we have for today. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for staying with me till the end.
You got scared.
Thank you for staying with me. I hope you've learned something. Have a good day.
You got scared. And this thing of means they have bad smell.